Now, where are those two little poopy pants?
Little sounds.
Happening? I hope this works.
Sounds.
Keep standing down. This could be a second.
Hey, make a
You thought that
sound.
was going to be cooler?
Oh boy, here goes nothing.
Prepare to be
Make a
vanquished
sound.
and justice to
But
be served on a piping hot platter of freedom with a side order of liberty and a supersized cup
make a
filled
sound.
with freedom also. Impressive use of fast food analogies, you giant baby with a cape on. Let's do this.
D, make a sound. Dude.
Freeze!
Make a sound.
And expensive that we can only show it using a technology known as
Flip of Dora.
Take it away, Harold.
F,
First,
make a
Professor
sound.
P gave Cat rubber pants the boot. Ow. Then he made another pants sandwich.
Make a sound.
No!
Ah!
No! Okay, what's next? Oh, yes, then. Poopy Pants summoned an army.
No!
Against dolphins, anyway. I don't have nothing against dolphins. It just didn't happen. Well, so what? We get to see.
No,
what
I want to
happens
get
at Fort Lauderdale.
beep.
All right, let's just keep going. You sure? Yep. Have to.
Thanks.
Anyway, Poopy Pants
H, make a sound.
plan was working out perfect. So they shot themselves to the top of
I
the
make a sound.
Keep things dramatic. They didn't quite make it, and then.
J, make a sound. Shit, what happened to the phenomenon?
Paper. Hey, Melvin.
K, make a sound.
Poopy Pants.
Professor Poopy Pants, Sergeant.
You don't stop you.
Ah, you are just so annoying.
You what, boy?
So, you
Ow,
little
make a
numbskulls
sound.
thought you could
Ooh.
distract me with this idiotic
I didn't
naked
mean it.
man, am I right?
Not naked.
Any final words before this whole revenge
M,
thing goes
make a
down?
sound. Hey,
Wait,
listen. You
You
don't make a
apologized for
sound.
finding your name. I mean that.
It was fear, right?
Yeah.
You could a sound.
Is Professor P, you have probably like the greatest name we've ever heard.
And make a sound.
Imagine if we had things like that. Oh, that would be so cool. Okay, wait, let's.
Oh, make a sound. Ah.
Yeah, I
Make
would
sound.
be
Look at the
a
B.
cheerful
T.
waffle fanny.
Make a sound.
Yeah, sure, you're nice.
Well, is this good? Q. Make a sound. What? Make it like that. R. Make a sound. S. Make a sound. Shh. Stop not iron.
Diarrheenstein Poopy Pants Esquire.
Are you saying your full name?
You boy, I need right to take it like this is short.
Uh-huh.
T. Make a sound. No. What about you?
Oh, come on! Listen, your problem isn't that people laugh at you. Your problem
No,
is
God.
that you
No,
can't laugh at yourself.
that's not it.
Is that my problem? Well,
No. I'm done. But no. I do what I'm going to with the ground. Even
there are about to come to an end.
no. I say I have to turn with me.
You mean other than your name?
No, right.
And your hair?
What? My
Sure.
Are you kidding me? It's almost as funny as my hair back in kindergarten. Remember that?
Not the
No, this can't be happening.
Uh-oh.
Activate plate scan.
Man.
Let's see.
You make a sound.
You
make a sound.
So what
No
gives?
one. No. What? Somebody you make a sound. What? Ah, you do what happened. You do what happened. Yes. X make make a sound. Oh, why make a sound? No, not please. I can't be anywhere. I don't. Z, make a sound. Oh, and the other sound with the H, Z.
What's happening? We're shrinking.
B, H, Z. We're gonna trusty. We're gonna tomorrow. The weekend is stack. We're gonna look at the party. Oh,
I got nothing. Me neither.
you're shrinking.
What did we used to find funny? Well, mostly
The sounds.
Really?
Right, sounds.
The lowest.
Alright, see you later. Don't you leave!
Don't you leave me.